Hi, hello there. I am Josmar Lobo, and in this video, I will explain my paper about the use of Instagram and Facebook for undergraduates to enhance English as a second language reading skills, especially. Now, in order to mention first, to create this video and this paper, some journal articles were used from different authors in different parts of the world with a specific topic in common, which is the use of social media apps as tools to learn or improve English as a second language. We need to mention also that social apps have been a very relevant and important part of our daily routines since they have been created, and it has been increased, talking about their usage since the 2020 pandemic, as was the COVID. Then after that period, some professors and teachers from different institutions or schools uh, started to use these apps to share content with their students and keep in contact, as the social distance was the main thing to follow. Now, after that, we can consider social media apps stop being just communicative or informative tools, but also educational and academic tools, or with educational or academic purposes. The, the importance of the use of social media apps to learn English as a second language uh, can be can be explained as the students have wider access to information in order to practice, and as people used to use these social apps, they can feel more comfortable or motivated when using them to learn also, and they can get from these tools grammar or vocabulary content in order to improve the different skills like speaking, reading, listening, and writing. However, I need to mention, or it's needed to mention, some negative aspects from using these social media apps to learn English as a second language. One is that they can have also slang terms or informal use of the language, which can create misinformation on students. Also, that they are tools, they are very destructive or time consuming apps. This way, if a person is not focused on using them with a practice or learning purpose only, they can feel or get affected as using them for an entertaining purpose. This way, according to the different research used in this paper, they can be very helpful and productive for people or students using them in a educational or academic way, or in order to practice any ability or activity. Also, taking into account these different articles I've used, this is just to mention the one from Rebecca Allen, applied in Latin immigrant students, or the one from Alfada, applied in Arab university students, or the one made by Carrion Riera and Barrera applied in Latin American students. If these tools are used to improve English as a second language, they can give more advantages than disadvantages. This way, they can be considered more helpful than counterproductive. Also, as they are also used for entertainment purposes. This way, people can feel more motivated to use them in order to reach a goal, in this case, to learn English as a second language. Now, talking about the reading skill, this is one of the most important ones, as social media apps bring also different vocabulary and grammar for students, and they can practice by reading different posts or different information them from them, and also as they have many audiovisual content, they can practice by listening and reading improvement. This way, these apps can be very uh, helpful for people desiring to improve their English as a second language. And this is the explanation of my video. I hope for any comments and thank you so much.